I'm Tom,
I'm Leanne.
and we are the owners here at Florida MasterTemp.
Florida MasterTemp has been in business since 1983, and it started with Mark and Kimberly Fitz. And in 1990, Tommy was hired with them. In 2009, we took over the business, and they retired.
Believe it or not, I got a call from Mark Fitz one day back in 1990, and I helped him on a job, and here we are today, 28 years later.
At Florida MasterTemp, we strive to provide honest quality craftsmanship at reasonable prices and to maintain the utmost in integrity among all of our valued customers.